Look no further than the 2021 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a mid-sized pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the work site. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, satellite radio, backup camera, premium sound system, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, intermittent wipers. The Colorado takes care of business without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Take it out for a drive and see for yourself.